Hello my friends, Dave Schramm here of ShrammGuitars.com, and today I'm building my EVS2 vacuum press system from joewoodworker.com, or I think it's also veneers.com. This is my second one. I wore out my first one after about 15-20 years or so. So this is just a real quick video showing you it in the kit that I'm building. Okay, so it comes with this plywood already cut out, and what I did is I radiused the edge with a 1/4 inch bit around everything here. So this all is radiused. You can do that. I've already done the assembly. I've attached the screws that come with the kit, these rubber feet that come with the kit, and the insert that goes in there, and then these are cable tie downs. I've installed those, and what I did find was that these parts here that are going to hold the reservoir, they did not fit this slot, so I put them on my Gilbert thickness sander on the drill press and knocked down about 20 thousandths of an inch or so, so that they would fit inside these slots, because otherwise they were oversized. This part here is being glued up, and that's going to go on this form or this base a little bit later. And I just completed building this manifold. Now it comes with complete instructions for doing everything, so you won't have any problems, because I'm going to go to the next step on this. Okay, I've made the reservoirs from the PVC pipes, and I've got gets kind of messy sealing with after the caps are glued on with the PVC cement, but that's an important step to ensure that you got those nice and sealed. So next I'm going to put the manifold on these. All right, got the reservoir and the manifold all attached here, and these are screwed on here. Oops, I need to tighten that screw a little bit more. So this part here is attached on that, and over here. All right, getting there, on to the next step. Okay, completed this step, got the filter installed. This is cool. This is going to be like where the this hose fitting will clamp on there, on and off, and then the hose will be on this barbed end. So I can attach and reattach the hose for the vacuum system. Cool. All right, I finished with section E of the instructions, and now have the motor bolted on to the bottom of the base. Now going on to section F. All right, I got the power switch and everything in the controller. I have all that hooked up here. Now I'm on to the next step of this build. Okay, now this is the sub reservoir manifold here. I just attached that, and we're getting closer. We're almost done. All right, we have the vacuum EVS2 system completed. Got the reservoir installed. Got the dial indicator here installed. Got my hose in there, and now I'm about to test it out. All right, everything is all set up. I've adjusted the valve. I actually already turned it on, and it's now reading around between 22 and 25 Hg there. So now all I gotta do is I gotta flip this lever. I've got just this block in my vacuum bag here, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach. Oh, I'm doing this one-handed. It's kind of tricky. Got the hose attached there. I'm gonna flip this lever. Bingo! It is working. There we go. So this is the Joe Woodworker EVS2 vacuum clamp system that I just put together. I am now back in business with my new vacuum clamp. Hey, thanks for watching this video on how I made my EVS2 vacuum system from joewoodworker.com. I highly recommend this system. I had the first one that I made about 21 years ago. I highly recommend it. I just wore out the first one, and I was falling behind on some projects because I needed to build a new vacuum system, and this one is excellent. I really like it. It's a big improvement on the original. Anyhow, oh, this hat that I'm wearing, these arrived while I was finishing up this build. I don't know how well you can see it. It says the Good Old Boys Band. That's the name of my classic country band that I play lead guitar in. So if you like classic country music, go on Facebook and check out the Good Old Boys Band. It's old, like OLD, because I'm old. Good Old Boys Classic Country Band. Anyhow, and oh, if you want a hat, hey, they're 20 bucks. They're band merch. Help support my band. Anyhow, all right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Highly recommend joewoodworker.com. Great products. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.